Myself, Sai Chandra Pranav. I'm studying at grade 7 at Laurel High Global School. Today, my topic is evaluation of Tesla. Content present in my topic: title, content slide, introduction slide, timeline, conclusion, reference, queries, acknowledgement slide, and thank you slide. What is Tesla? Tesla is an electric car company which provides electric cars to many countries. It is also the safest car with 5-star rating. It is also an expensive car because of its parts are aluminium, boron, cobalt, copper, iron, neon, and niobium. So the timeline of the Tesla. In 2003, Tesla was founded by Robin Denholm, the chairman of the Tesla, Elon Musk, the CEO, Zach Kirkham, CFO, Drew Baglion, CTO. 2005 to 2009, the Tesla made the first vehicle called Tesla Roadster Generation 1. 2010 to 2015, Tesla had taken part in IPO. Tesla had made electric cars called Model S and Model X. 2012, Tesla Roadster first generation stopped producing, which made it a limited car. 2014, Tesla had been manufacturing cars with sensors so that they can make autopilot. 2016 to 2018, Tesla introduced Model 3. Tesla CEO Elon Musk invented Solar City, where they can provide their companies with solar panels. Tesla introduced full self-driving feature, where the people in the car can talk to them. 2017, Tesla introduced semi-truck, which is an electric truck where it can carry so much of load. And Tesla Roadster prototype, and it is yet to be manufactured. 2019, Tesla had been globally expanded, and it also invented Model Y and Cybertruck, and it started autopilot. Conclusion. By seeing this PPT, we can observe the timeline of India, which is an advanced step. I have taken reference from Wikipedia. Do you have any queries? Acknowledgement. I would thank my teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity, for allowing me to express my ideas and thoughts. I would also thank my sister for telling me these grammatical errors. Thank you.